If you are looking for the best meat grinder, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1. Most popular. The powerful STX Turboforce Classic 3000 Series Electric Meat Grinder. The heavy-duty STX Turboforce Electric Meat Grinder runs at 1200 watts and 3 speed controls are in place, so it can perfectly grind a large amount of meat at a time. For details, it can grind about 180 and 240 pounds of meat per hour. This product can play a role of a meat grinder as well as a sausage stuffer because it has a set of the 3 size plates. There are also 4 grinding plates, a kivvy attachment, and 3 blades. Number 2. Sunmile SMG31 Electric Meat Grinder. ETL certified for safety and performance, the Sunmile SMG31 ETL hardly ever disappoints, and with its single on-off switch, it is very easy to operate. Even better, it auto-regulates between 250 watts and 800 watts to grind tough and tender meats while keeping your energy bills low, grinding up to 150 pounds per hour. The SMG1 all-red copper coiled. This material type is the best in the coil category and ensures you get a powerful and durable motor that lasts a long time. Number 3. Number 3. LEM Products Stainless Steel Big Bite Electric Meat Grinder. The LEM Big Bite Electric Meat Grinder can make you feel as though you're not trying to grind anything while working with this machine. First of all, it has a proprietary auger designed to work silently, and you are able to grind a more considerable amount of meat in a shorter time. What's more, the LEM company is always trying to give you the meat grinder that leads to virtually silent experiences by providing better gears. Number 4. Gourmia GMG 525 Electric Meat Grinder. The Gourmia GMG 525 is one that effortlessly grinds to paste unprocessed meats, poultry, and fish alike. Need to make a hamburger or sausage? This durable stainless steel grinder has everything to do that and a lot more. It has an auto-regulatory power consumption, 500 watts to 1000 watts, that effortlessly minces up your foods. This auto-regulation eliminates the need for high power usage in the event that what you are grinding is very tough. Number 5. Number 5. Kitchener Heavy-Duty Electric Meat Grinder. The heavy-duty Kitchener electric meat grinder can process up to 330 pounds of meat in an hour. This machine's construction is massive-duty aluminum, and it is a size 12, so it can operate consistently. It seems that this product can serve industrial as well as personal purposes. The gear is also steel, enabling the device to grind more effectively with quick and quiet running. The meat pan is extensive, with the measurements of 11 inches by 8 inches by 2 inches, so you can fit more meat into the grinder.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.